今日天氣真係好啊！嗱，之前出咗兩段片教 passive voice，依家俾翻廣東話版嚟啦。passive voice 就好簡單嘅，你 hide 咗 subject agent，即係俾人知究竟係邊個講嗰句説話，或者邊個做嗰件事咧。最重要記住啲乜嘢咧 ？past participle 點樣串啊？有時會串錯字啊嘛。do did 後邊咪 done 咯 ，go went 後邊咪 gone 咯。cut 後邊都係 cut， 即係記住個三號仔嘅字，第三個字。點解咧？好簡單啊！舉三個例子俾你啊。譬如你話 the job is done， 已經做好咗啦，你唔好講邊個做啦。我為人謙虛係嘛 ？I do the job， 但係你唔好講 I 啊。the job is done， 咁你 is done 個 done 字咪三號仔咯，所以個 done 字唔可以串錯。第二個例子咧，咁你可以講has been done，present perfect tense，the job has been done， 咁所以個 done 字又係 past participle。如果你想用呢個past simple tense 都得嘅 ，the job was done， 琴晚已經做好咗啦。咁 was 後邊都係要用三個仔 past participle 喎。但係你就唔係淨係用個 do 字啊嘛 ，do 字就話啲燈用個燈啫。咁你如果用 defeat 打敗了咁點啊？咪 defeated 咯，三號仔咪 defeated 咯。要讀歷史啊，所以咪 Germany was defeated by the Allies in 1945咯。記住唔好串錯三號仔。現在俾個動詞表你 irregular verb lists。Hello。